So we're gonna start with the nozzle in a straight stream, bail off to the side, and the hose flat like this. Looking down at the tray, it's gonna be on the right side. You want this almost flush with the end, sticking out just a hair. We're gonna make our first breaks, not all the way to the back of these trays. The trays are in the process of being marked right now. If they do not have a marked line, we wanna be able to see the second hole from the back. As we go forward with the hose, as you notice, we're not breaking any breaks behind the bail. They're all gonna be broken flush with the end of the tray. So after that whole 100-foot section's loaded, we're gonna set the female end up top here, and we're gonna start with the other load. We're gonna want about a foot of hose sticking out. And as you notice here, the hose is gonna start underneath the bail. We're gonna go back to that same line. If it's not there, the 2 holes remaining. As we go forward here, we're gonna make the breaks behind the nozzle. This gives us that space we were talking about for the gloved hand to reach through. As we make our tags on the 2nd and 5th bite, we're gonna run those out flush with the end of the tray. There's no need to have big looping tags on this hose load. Making these behind the nozzle. This is my 5th, so it's going to be a tag flush with the end. And the rest of my breaks are going to be short. When we're finished, we're going to connect the 2 couplings on top. There you have it. So in the morning during your rig inspection, an important thing to do is to come back and look at your pre-connects. These engines have a tendency for the hose to travel forward as you're driving down the road, which causes the top flake to get stuck underneath the diamond plate. So as you go to pull off your pre-connect, it'll get bound up. What you want to do is pull the pre-connect out so the hose is flush with the edge of the diamond plate in the morning so that you're ready and set up to go. So for the finished product here, we're going to want to have a 100 feet section here nicely stacked, tucked in. We're going to have our 2 tags flush with the end. We're going to be able to lift this up, and if you can see here, the bail is sideways. So with the gloved hand, it's easy to come in, grab this, you're going to pull this out, and you're ready to go.